Hello, we're going to take a look at your MT7 LT6 affirmation. I'm going to review one of the problems with you. They're all very similar. We are applying the triangle angle bisector theorem. And what the triangle angle bisector theorem says is, if you have an angle bisector, it cuts the opposite side into the same ratio as the ratio of the other two sides. So if we take a look at the first problem here, I'm going to say 3 over 2 equals x over 4. You could have said 3 over x equals 2 over 4. That would have been just as correct because we have the same ratios. Well, to solve this, then, what we're going to do is we're going to multiply both sides by 4. Think of it as 4 over 1 since you have a fraction here. Well, 2 goes into 4 twice. So 2 times 3 then is 6. And notice on the right-hand side, the 4 is reduced, you get x. And that's how you do that. Let's take a look at another one. This one, you have to do a little bit more thinking. A little bit more algebraic thinking, I should say. Because I didn't give you this expression here. But I did give you the whole length is 9. And then this length is y. Well, I think what we would say then here is, if this whole length is 9, what expression are we going to write here? Well, if you have a hard time doing that, think about what are you going to do if you know y. Let's say y is 1. Well, if this is 1 and the whole length is 9, you would say this is 8. How about if it's 4? Well, this would be 5. What are you doing each time? You're taking 9 and you're subtracting whatever number you have here. So our expression for this length is going to be 9 minus y. Now we can write our ratio. 9 minus y is to y as 8 is to 4. And I don't like working with big numbers, so the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to simplify 8 over 4. So 9 minus y over y. Well, 8 divided by 4 is 2. 2 over 1, but I'm just going to write 2. Now we want to solve for y. I don't like y in that denominator, so the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to multiply both sides by y. So we get 9 minus y equals 2y. Then we add y to both sides. 9 equals 3y. Finally, divide both sides by 9. Or, sorry, not 9. Divide both sides by 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. And you get y, because once again, the 3 is reduced there. And there's your answer. Y would be 3, and x would be 6 for this particular problem. The other ones are very similar to how you solve them, so I'm going to have you redo those.